Hi, my name is Denis Akrimenko. I'm the CEO and co-founder of FinGears magnetic rings. I will show you how to choose the correct ring size, and I'll teach you a few tricks with rings. If you encounter FinGears in offline store, for example Learn Express chain in the USA, then here on the package you will find the size markers. The original FinGears offer three sizes: 16, 19 and 21 millimeters. So you can put your finger here and determine which size is right for you. Also, the original rings have a large number of magnets, therefore the rotation is smoother than in many cheap copies. Also, you can put your index finger on the ruler and check the ring size. Here I'm holding the large rings. They are a little bit loose on my hand, but very convenient. Here I have medium rings, perfect in my case. And the small ones. I almost can't wear, but they fit for the people with thin fingers. It's really cool to combine rings with different sizes. And now I will show you some basic tricks. So the first trick is one of the most basic ones. It's called figure 8. What you do is you put one ring on the index finger and another one on the ring finger. You leave one ring free, and then you use your thumb to spin it around. Then you split and spin it around with the thumb again. And that is the basic part of the trick. One of the tricks that we are going to do next is a very basic one. It's called magnetic split. You leave two fingers free and you connect one of the rings up to the index finger. And then you just use your thumb to split them. This is also one of the difficult tricks. You need to move your hand to wrap the free ring about both rings. Try to repeat the trick several times without mistakes. The next trick is one of the most complicated ones. It's called axis blade. And this trick is very difficult because it requires you use momentum and use your wrist and your entire hand. What you do is you disconnect two rings and you try to whirl them around without having them connect. As many times as you can, as many times as possible. You connect the rings into a chain and you spin them around and try not to lose the shape that they have. You can walk around the city and just do this very satisfying magnetic spin and use this essentially as a fidget or to release stress or think about the things. Very simple and very satisfying. What you do is separate one of the rings so it's free, and you can spin it either on the index finger or on the ring finger. You can think your own variations and tricks. Essentially the possibilities are endless. Follow online store by the link in the description box and don't forget to subscribe.